In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Drive folder. We'll walk through two simple ways to do it on a computer using a web browser like Google Chrome. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a new folder, plus a few practical tips to keep everything organized. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're in your main Drive view, often labeled My Drive on the left side. The quickest way to create a folder is with the New button. Look to the top left and click the New button. From the menu that appears, choose Folder. A small window will pop up asking for a name. Type in a clear, descriptive folder name so you'll recognize it later, then click Create. Your new folder will appear in your Drive almost immediately. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment or sort your view by recent to bring it to the top. There's another equally fast method that some people prefer. While you're in Google Drive, move your cursor over an empty area of the page not on an existing file or folder and right-click. In the menu that opens, click New Folder. Enter the name you want, then click Create. That's it. The result is the same as using the New button. Pick whichever approach feels more natural to you. A quick note about location. The folder is created wherever you are in Drive at that moment. If you're inside another folder, the new one will be created inside it. If you want your folder at the top level, make sure you're viewing My Drive before you create it. Thoughtful names can save time later. Many people include dates, project names, or short keywords to make searching easier. And don't worry, if the name isn't perfect, you can always adjust it later. Once your folder is created, you can begin organizing right away. Drag files from your computer into the browser window and drop them onto the new folder to upload. If the files are already in Drive, you can drag and drop them between locations to keep everything tidy. Creating subfolders inside your main folder is a great way to separate tasks, versions, or time periods, which makes larger projects much easier to navigate. Finally, remember that folders can be shared with others at any time, which is ideal for teamwork. You can choose who has access and what they can do, whether that's viewing, commenting, or editing, and update those settings whenever your needs change. And that's all you need to create a Google Drive folder quickly and confidently.